In this video, I'll show you how to blur a moving object in Premiere Pro. Okay guys, now in Premiere Pro, I've got this clip, I've got this lady walking on the beach, and hence this is the moving object. So to blur her face, what we have to do first is go to effects, and from there, we're gonna find the Gaussian blur effect. Then grab the effect and drop it over the clip. Now go up to the effects control panel, scroll down to where is the Gaussian blur, find it, and what we're gonna do here is create a mask. In this case, you can use any of these options, but for me personally, the mask that works best in this case is the ellipse mask. So I'm gonna click on it, and as you can see now, we've got ellipse on the screen, but it's too big, so I'm gonna go over the screen and readjust the size so we can cover only the face, like so. Then what I will do, I'll go to the Gaussian blur and increase the blurriness, like that. I think that's enough. And now we've got two options here. We can track it automatically, or we can track it manually. So what I'll do, I'll track it manually. So I'm gonna click on to the stopwatch over here, and this will create a keyframe. So what I will do, I'll move the cursor a few frames forward, then I will readjust the mask, and this will automatically create another keyframe. And because this might take a while, I'll come back when I have finished with creating all these keyframes. Okay, now I've done creating all these keyframes, so let's play it from the beginning and see what it looks like. Okay. Alright, so far so good. As you can see, the mask is moving alongside her face. It looks okay. We've managed to hide her face. And boom. Okay, it looks not too bad. And that's the manual option. Now let's try to track the mask automatically and see which option it will work better for you. So I will disable the first mask, and then I'll go and delete all these keyframes, just like that. And what I will do is go again to the mask part, and this time I'm gonna click on this play button, so this will start automatically tracking the mask. Okay, the tracking is done, so let's play it again from the beginning and compare. Okay, so far so good. Okay, and you can see now the mask is lost because the size of it is not readjusted and it's gone. We saw her face and she's compromised. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.